Thanks for clicking on that thumbnail. Welcome to Lite Tech Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S20. It's really for any Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So to take a screenshot, super simple. Just click on the volume down button and the power button at the same time, and you don't have to hold these buttons. So once you click on that, the screen will flash, and you'll have four options at the bottom of the screen. The first option, which is this thumbnail here, allows you to view the image with your preferred gallery or photo viewing app. The second option allows you to take a lengthier screenshot. So this mimics scrolling down throughout the screen, and it'll continuously take a screenshot and stitch it together into one long photo. Now, the third option is to crop that screenshot. So let's say you don't want to show the top part of the screen and you just want to show the image, or you just want to crop it to the part you want to show. So all you have to do is measure or resize it to your liking. You can also write or draw on the screenshot with this pen tool here, and you can change the size of it through this third option, or change the color of it depending on what you prefer. Now, the last option here is to share that screenshot. So you can choose whatever app that allows it to be shared to. That's it for this tutorial. If you liked this video, feel free to subscribe to the channel and comment your questions down below.